Hey guys, I want to show you a cool way to keep your home appliances out of sight, but also code compliant. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So in this particular instance, this is actually for a home printer, but the same would apply, say, to a microwave or any other small appliance in your kitchen or in your home office. So here we have a drawer. It's designed to host the printer. So it's designed in a way the back is all cut out to be able to access the back of the printer. There is power supplied in there as well, but the power supply issue is one of the problems for code, at least in our area. You cannot have a plugged in electronic device in a closed cupboard or drawer. So this actually has a little kill switch on it. So when you close the drawer, it automatically kills the power to the appliance so it can be safely stored. And when you pull the drawer back open again, the power turns back on, everything fires back up again. So it's a great way to get these things out of sight. It makes a smaller space feel a bit bigger by putting those appliances away, keeps it nice and tidy, but you also can safely sleep without worrying about whether it's going to start a fire inside your drawer. Anyhow, if you have any questions about something like this, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Have a great one.